I've had so much fun playing teardown. I'm doing it in real life. Well, that teared out the support. Maybe I'll just knock it down. I'm actually surprised that this didn't fall over when I put the chain around the base, but here we go, try 2. Well, this thing is a lot sturdier than I thought it was. It was leaning, so I figured it was about ready to fall over, but clearly that is not the case. I'll have to take it corner by corner probably. And it still might not fall over, who knows. Okay, this is try number 3. Nice. Yeah, this is much sturdier than I first thought. I think my next idea will probably work, unless it tears out the part I'm gonna tie on again. Okay, so I have it hooked. Second, I didn't realize I had it in 4 high. I'm an idiot. Now it's in 4 low, so I should be able to take it a lot easier, because I just full send it, but that would guarantee the rip out the beam, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take it easy. Oh. If this doesn't bring it down, I don't know what will. And I wrapped my chain like an idiot. So here we go. If I would use the hitch like it's supposed to be used instead of wrapping it around the top, it might help. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Ooh, yes, that fell perfect. That was probably the best way it could have fell. Holy crap. Yes, I'm so glad it tipped over. That will make this so much easier. I probably don't even have to move it anymore. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Oh, I do have to move the base some more. I'll just hook on and where's my objective? Oh, I think it's under all this shit. Whoops. I'll hook on this and pull it back the other way, but that is absolutely the best way it could have come apart, other than I might have to still clean that up. So that worked surprisingly well. Probably the only way this could have gone better was if as soon as I attached my chain, the shed just disappeared. So I'm pretty happy, other than I have to clean up this shit now. But I did see, there it is, the wellhead, the one thing I needed to do all this crap for. It's right there, and open. It's been that way for who knows how long. Probably filled with dead rats and all manner of other evils. And I probably should have just left that, because that would have been cooler. But anyway, if anyone has some shady demolition they need done, hit me up. I have a shed of experience. I'm probably just gonna burn this crap. I mean, I don't know why people are like this.